Model, 2018 Plate Citroen Relay Boxer L4H2 2.0 HDI needs head gasket Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 284584. MOT, the 11th of August 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking, none runner. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. Euro status: Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 015